Would you make more videos if there was an easier and faster way to shoot and edit your videos? If you've never used InShot, or it's been a long time since you have, this is for you. This is seriously going to blow you away if you've never seen or used this before. InShot has this super cool AI cut feature that scans your video and removes the silent parts and awkward pauses, all with just the touch of a button. In fact, I'm using it right now. I'm recording this video on my Pocket 3 camera, but I'm going to take the video, put it into InShot, and remove all of the pauses so that the video comes across seamlessly. You see, sometimes whenever I shoot a video, I will actually use a teleprompter. And other times I just don't feel like hooking up the teleprompter and importing the script and so forth. So I'll just write out a few things that I want to say, and then I'll take that script, and instead of memorizing it, I'll just refer back to it from time to time, where I'll look away, or sometimes I'll actually have either a computer monitor, or I'll even print it out and have a piece of paper below the camera lens, and I'll look down, I'll see the line, I'll memorize just the line, not the whole script, and then I'll look back up and then I'll just say the script accordingly, or say the line accordingly. And you can see me doing this right here. If you've never used InShot, or it's been a long time since you have, this is for you. I simply load the video into InShot. Would you make more videos if there was an easier and faster way to shoot and edit your videos? And then I click on AI Edit, and it automatically removes the pauses and the silences right from everything that I had just done. Would you make more videos if there was an easier and faster way to shoot and edit with, again, just the touch of a button, and I didn't have to do anything? But let's say that you want certain pauses or certain areas that you want to actually be extended a little bit, then you can just select Edit and actually keep those pauses or undelete them. And it's a really easy process. As you can see, it only takes a minute. It saves you a ton of time and allows you to keep just basically the engaging parts of the video without all the pauses and silences and ums and awkward and looking away from the camera that would otherwise lose your engagement with the video. Try it out. It's going to blow you away.